Good morning, Dale at Northridge Homes here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about foundation layout, planning, utilities, etc. As you can see right here, we have our standard foundation that you've seen in some of our other videos. And this portion of the foundation is going to be a crawl space from here over to the basement underneath the office and entry to the home. Behind me, there's the high wall basement portion, and in the hole will be where the basement portion of the home is. And in that, the mechanical room on this particular home will be in the basement, whereas last standard crawl rancher style home, the mechanical room is in the garage. So here we have to do a little bit different pre-planning for utilities to come into the home. So behind me on this other side is the power and water for the well system. And the well is well out into the timber on the other side of the lot. And we've brought the supply line from the well in underneath the crawl space. Will drop through and go through a hole that we've pre-poured into the foundation at the basement, and then stub up into the mechanical room that will be in the basement here. And then we'll seal that hole shut and make it waterproof. But one of the reasons too that we have pre-planned and brought it the way we did is so that these two lines would pass underneath the foundation and go through the basement wall inside the crawl space and not out in an area where we're worried about water penetrating in through our hole. So we protected ourselves by being in a crawl space where we penetrate the basement wall, as well as we've also damp proofed the wall, and we'll also seal that hole when the pipes pass through it here at the backfill stage. So again, part of what's going on here is just the pre-planning of getting those utilities in the right place before the foundation's in, and having them pass through into the home where you want them, so that you can prevent leaks and issues later. In this portion of the home, we've pre-planned for the sewer to exit the building. So we've measured across the foundation and what kind of slope we're going to need to get sewer from the far side, which is where the kitchen will be located, all the way to this side of the building, and have slope that we need to meet code across there, as well as this is intentionally pre-planned and positioned penetration through the wall so that one, you can see we're above the damp proofing, so we're in the safe area of where we think water leakage could be an issue, as well as it's also pre-planned for how much slope we need to get across the site and on the other side of the driveway where the septic tank will be located. So again, it's one of those things where we've pre-planned all the way from the kitchen clear out to the septic tank, including our damp proofing and etc., so that the whole system works well, and we've thought about leakage and flow and all the parts that contain to your sewer system and septic tank all working together and being a quality product at the end. Now, over here, we have a little red mark on the foundation. That red mark indicates where we want the power to come into. And we've kind of pre-thought that out too. Where does the power come in and work best in the house versus what's going on in the home versus where the utilities brought the power into the lot and how that path that we need to bring it in. And so we pre-planned where that's going to be, and built a ground into the foundation, what's called a UFA ground. And that way everything is set up and thought of both inside the home and outside the home, so that all the systems come together and work really well and make the home function utility-wise.